feel like I can do this whole video with like ASMR. Just the sound of like everything hitting.
No, I don't. Latest update on my C6 Z and/or Z06. My neighbors up to this point really like me, and I'm gonna do my best to upset them. Alright, so when choosing an exhaust for my car, I looked everywhere. I looked at every brand, I listened to a bunch of different cars, and ultimately my decision came down to exhaust tip placement. And it sounds ridiculous, but I hate the fact that the exhaust has two tips on one side, two tips on the other with like this gap in the middle, kind of like a gap in the teeth. It's kind of like how I look at it. I know some people put like finishing pieces in there and whatnot, but I totally didn't dig that. So I was really limited to a couple different brands, and then I settled for what I'm gonna say is the best. This is a fully stainless steel axle back section from Akrapovič. It still utilizes the NPP valves, so we can still make the car quiet and or loud, and it fills up that space. So now there will be 4 tips all grouped together, similar to a C7. All right, so one thing I want to talk about, and it seems kind of silly, is this little pouch right here. All right, in here is all the parts, the instruction manual here. We got a warranty card and a nice little, almost feels like a passport holder. That's a warranty card. 2 zip ties and a bolt and a nut. I'm not 100% sure why we have that. And then Akrapovič's own anti-seize. But I mean, that's a nice little touch. Anyways, the most impressive thing about this is the owner's manual. And I know this exhaust is incredibly expensive, and some people are gonna be like, why did you waste that money? You could have done a muffler delete, you could have done the muffler mod on the factory pieces. All the quality, all the welding on this is super nice. The quality of stainless steel is super nice. But the most important thing is the owner's manual is beautiful. This is a full step-by-step installation manual from disassembling the car to reassembling the car, all with color photos. And every manufacturer out there could really learn from this, because not everybody brings their car to a shop like this to have this installed. Most of the people who do stuff are all DIY, and this definitely saves the day. So well done. It's definitely worthwhile just for this owner's manual. All right, since we're at the shop, I will get back to my desk, do my desk duties, and we'll take this over so Vin can install this beautiful piece of exhaust on the Z06.
See, you gotta take the sway bar off. I didn't know that.
Take the sway bar off?
So you gotta take the whole, you basically gotta take off the rear lower the rear control arms. Wow. That didn't hurt. Ow, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that really hurt. Okay, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on. There's a lot of. You do this all from your own driveway. Very easy.
Oh, mother.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Interesting.
Here's today's tip. Those tips are 5 inches big. I didn't realize they were that big. I still like it though because it fills out the whole center valance. It is a little bit in your face though. May push them in a little bit, I don't know. Gonna play around with it a bit, but now I just can't wait to drive it and hear the sound from this exhaust.